Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw a Porsche 911. Start by lightly sketching the car's basic outline and proportions. Think of it as building a wireframe. Establish a clear ground line, then use circles to accurately place the front and rear wheels. Many artists find the grid method helpful for maintaining correct proportions, allowing you to focus on smaller, manageable sections of the car at a time. This foundational step is crucial for a realistic drawing. Now, let's add some of those signature Porsche details. Focus on the famous oval headlights and the unique three-part radiator grille at the front. Next, sketch the windshield, the side windows, and the elegant, flat roofline that smoothly transitions into the rear. Pay close attention to the wide, impressive wheels and their rims, as well as the single door and its handle. These elements truly define the Porsche 911 recognizable silhouette. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful and learning a lot, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow, and speaking of getting creative, sometimes you need a break from drawing. Why not dive into a great book? You can read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's super light, just like your sketchpad. Find the link for the Kindle and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To bring your drawing to life, it's time for shading. Keep your light source in mind as you add shadows to create depth and dimension. Incorporate reflections on the glass and the car's body to enhance its realistic, three-dimensional appearance. Finally, refine smaller details using colored pencils and add crisp white highlights with a paint marker to make your Porsche 911 truly pop off the page. This step adds that professional, finished touch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.